Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price, or I should say time, which is what you would normally see, and for those of you that have been watching the videos, what I've been focusing on is daily chart. That's no more the case. Each one of these represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like it's several days worth of time right here, that's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I wanted to switch over to this time frame now just because I think it's doing a good job of kind of just telling the quote-unquote story of the price and it's making where these levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So like I said, I've done this before, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And first thing I want to do is a little bit of house cleaning here and just get rid of this green line down there. Yes, that still pertains to the chart, and I'm also going to get rid of that line right there. Yes, that still pertains to the chart, but in the spirit from a presentation standpoint of not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So point here being though, and what I like about the 30-minute is it's really doing a great job of just showing that as time has been going by, the price just keeps on chugging upwards in terms of putting in these higher lows after higher lows. And that's the name of the game, because when you have higher lows, you can build those, stair steps in the upwards direction. And, that's how trends, or I should say more so specifically uptrends, are built. Now, the first update here that does need to be put into place comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that maybe watched the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 0032 as resistance, but now that the price is up above there, 0032 would be a level of support. The ideal level of support going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up there above 0038, then that would be definitely just a great sign of strength. You can see multiple times the bears try to press down below there and couldn't quite do it. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price drops below 0038, by no means am I sitting here saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. I'm just saying that would be the best case scenario. Now, what about levels of resistance? If the upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? First key level is just simply where the party stopped today, and that's up there at 0044. And I'm just going to leave it at 0044 right now, and we'll see what happens with it. But like I said, on a couple different occasions, both there and there, bulls try to push through, couldn't quite do it. Anyway, slice it though, another very nice day. Good way to start off the week. So it'll be interesting. Oh, there's some free advertising there. So we'll see what happens with it. Obviously still 4 days left, but as long as the bulls keep on putting these higher lows, then the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.